It's time to finish the kitchen self-built saga. That's right, you heard me. It's over. Stay tuned for the fabulous result. Layer number 2. Color of the grout tiles as in the hallway. Well, I'm committed now. I'm doing it. Var det ni som tittade?
Ja!
Hej!
Hej!
So my nephews have come and they're gonna stay with me for 2 nights. Du har verkligen gjort det till rätta med en gång.
Hur är läget?
Det är bra. Frågan är om jag tror inte vi riktigt hinner.
Okej.
Ja. Jag vill ta ut dem lite från väggen så att det är lite luftigare. kids are settled in, and my new volunteer is settled in, and I have another one arriving in a few days. Perfect. It's time to install the hardware of the kitchen, the jewels. These are typical of a kitchen in Sweden 100 years ago. I'm missing one. Apparently I counted wrong when I ordered it, so I'm gonna have to order one more. I also have another few things that I'm missing, like the screws that I attached. The hinges are also a bit wrong, so I can't close this properly. None of the appliances are connected, and neither is the dishwasher or the tap. But I have done my part, and now I will leave the rest for the professionals. I've just put everything in place and installed it so that I can feel like I finished it properly. Well, almost. There are a few things left to do. I have ordered one more handle, and I need different screws for the cabinet hinges. I need to find a solution for the drain for the antique sink. I will either modify the drain in a collaboration with a local metal workshop, or I will modify the sink to make it fit. Or maybe my plumber will be able to find a drain that fits. After I know I have a solution for this, I can decide on how I should protect the countertop. Simply linted oil isn't enough, it stains too easily, and then I can seal the tiles with silicone. I also have a ton of things to finish in the room and in the rest of the apartment. Everything is like 98% done. But that's for a later video. Now it's time for new adventures.